Look who's out after dark, like a big boy.
I was out raising heck with Mr. Will Wheaton. 4 hours more and we would have closed down the hometown buffet.
I thought you had plans with Amy.
Yeah, I did. But then Will called Amy a pain in the ASS. She got huffy and left, and then Will and I headed out to dinner. Yeah, that place really did remind me of my hometown. Yeah, because there we also have a hometown buffet.
Hold on, Will and Amy had an argument?
Yes, quite the kerfuffle.
Then Amy got mad and left?
Yeah, you walked right out the door.
And you...
We enjoyed a delightful dinner at a reasonable price. The manager recognized Will and let us sit right next to the frozen yogurt machine. Right next to it. Like, I was closer to it than I am to you right now.
Buddy, I think Amy might be upset.
Why's that?
Because your friend was rude to her and then you went to dinner with him.
You're just repeating what I said. Like living with a lactose-intolerant parrot.
Trust me, call her.
Fine. It's a shame you didn't go to dinner with us, because the buffet you're about to enjoy only serves humble pie. A dessert much less tasty than frozen yogurt. It's this close.
What?
You'll appreciate this. Leonard has some ridiculous notion that you're mad at me. You tell him you're not mad at me. Go ahead, set him straight.
I'm mad at you, Sheldon.
Eat one of your Luna bars. You know, very often when women think they're angry, they're really just hungry.
I'm not hungry. Your friend insulted me and you didn't do anything.
Precisely. I didn't do anything. Now does someone feel like checking her emotional math?
Keep going, buddy. You're doing great.
Sheldon, I'm your girlfriend and you should have taken my side. That's it. End of story. Good night.
Wow. Amy's mad, and Leonard was right. What a weird day.